Jan-Åke Fjørtoft, how is it for the MTG United for Peace to be part of the Nobel Center, and especially on the day when the Peace Prize is being announced?
Well, I've learned that after 3 years it's a tradition. So we're always standing here excited who win the prize. And this year as well, because the Nobel Peace Center has done a cooperation with FIFA, who has 209 nations with something called Handshake for Peace. And I'm just coming from there now, and the work that the Nobel Peace Center has done in football now is enormous. And I think people will slowly realize that. And for us to be a part of that and being a part of the people here is always great, like I said, a tradition.
And what do you think the kids get out of being here?
Hopefully they get out of it to see the common platform for what they are doing. They have to cooperate, they have to communicate, they have to have a kind of nice dialogue when they are playing the game. And it's the same thing for the Peace Prize laureates, the winners of the Peace Prize. They have to do the same, and that's very core common values.
And
Jan-Åke, do you think that you will ever get the Nobel Peace Prize?
Well, in 50 years' time, I probably know. But what is good, I want just to stress what Linda's saying as well, because the good thing now, we have 40 nations here. They don't speak any languages that is common, more or less. But they have a common in smile, in rhythm and football. For me, these are the 3 world languages. And these are, after the cooperation now that we have with FIFA and football and Nobel Peace Center, Handshake for Peace, this is something then, this is an overview of all these world languages. Because, as Linda say, after a game, they kick each other. It's competitive, of course, but then we're friends and we communicate with a common platform language.